YouTube? It's your main man, OG Kicks. Coming at you live from the Sneaker Stash in the DMV, baby. About to unbox this mink oil from Rejuvenate. It came in today. So we about to see what it do with these Ashy Larrys. Jordan 14 UNC guys, man. AKA Ashy Larrys. Paper. Wow, man. Got your Rejuvenate. What we're gonna do is just hit these bad boys. Let's see directions. If needed, clean shoes with Rejuvenated cleaning kit prior to applying mink oil. They're pretty fresh out of the box. I did rock them today with the now this is the blue cheese shirt. This shirt go with the nines, the blue and white nines. But cause my shirt didn't come in yet from the UNC 9 drop from Outrank. So, but I was looking through the shirts and I was like, oh, that black and blue, it kind of hit. And I like it because it's in the middle, the little blue cheese joint in the middle. So, with the UNC hat, you know what I'm saying? I like how the little ram mugging, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, well ventilated area. I'm gonna take it outside. Hold can upright. Apply one light coat. 8-6 inch away from the surface. Immediately brush in with Rejuvenated horsehair shine brush to evenly distribute mink oil across surface. Allow 5 to 10 minutes to dry. If needed, repeat the process. Do not oversaturate material. So yeah. Oh, excuse me. Just getting off work, man. Sorry about that. But I'm about to hit these with the mink oil real quick. And then I just jump back to show y'all the results, man. And just like that, your boy's back, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Shout out to the mink oil. Rejuvenated mink oil, man. Joint came through. I mean, what y'all think, man? Let's see. Just look a little better. Look a little better. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's I like that gray, man. You know what I'm saying, on the back. That really spicy. But yeah, don't say bad, man. Coming down with a little, I was saying the little motions. You know what I'm saying? It look a little darker. I hit them twice too. And I started out with a harder brush. You supposed a horse brush. I thought it was good for it, but it wasn't. So I just went with this little sponge right here, the old little new suede nubuck joint, revives and restores. You know what I'm saying? Just as soon as you spray them down, just hit it with this with a little something soft. Cause the hard brush started, the material was like getting damaged, coming off, and just looking terrible. So yeah, right here. You know what I'm saying? Look a little bad right there. But so I had to switch it up. But yeah, man. So yeah, so mink oil, Jordan 14s, man. You know what I'm saying? Ashy Larrys no more. Mink oil 14s. Yeah. Appreciate y'all, man. See y'all tomorrow at the mall. I get age, not your shoe size. Treat yourself, never cheat yourself. Oh, shout out to my co-worker. She was going on my little blue cheese shirt and talking about, oh, you got some wings with that or something. I was just laughing, but that's one of you know. I guess she ain't know that the new $100 bills are all blue, and we call money cheese. So, but if you know, you know. It's one of you know type situations. But anyway, man, appreciate y'all for stopping through, man. Have a blessed weekend. See y'all at the mall tomorrow. I get age, not your shoe size. Treat yourself, never cheat yourself.